Struggling with steady hair fall or thinning? GFC hair treatment could be the right choice for you. GFC means growth factor concentrate. It's a modern treatment that uses your own blood to naturally improve hair health. Here's how it works. A small amount of your blood is taken, processed, and the concentrated growth factors are injected into your scalp. These growth factors nourish your hair follicles, help reduce hair fall, and boost new hair growth from the roots. Since it's natural and non-surgical, the treatment is generally safe and effective. With regular sessions, you can see thicker, stronger, healthier hair and feel more confident too. The results are gradual but long-lasting. And the best part is, there's no downtime. You can get back to your routine right after the session. Whether your thinning has just started or you have significant hair fall, GFC works at the root level for lasting improvement. It's a modern science-backed way to get healthier hair and feel more like yourself again.